Hi, thanks for joining me. My name is Marcella and this is my art channel. So today's painting is a wave, and it started out as a Dutch pour, and then it kind of transitioned. Like all waves, they kind of transition into their own. So anyway, I wanted to show you some other Dutch pour waves that I did. This is one of my first, well no, it's probably my third or fourth Dutch pour wave. And I don't think I did any embellishing on this. And I'm actually going to resin it. I just haven't gotten around to it yet. But I really like it. It came out really nice. So, and it's got really nice shimmer from the Pebeo iridescent blue-green. So, and then here is another one that I did, which is one of my favorites. I already resined it, and it's one of my favorites because an octopus appeared. Do you see the octopus kind of going up the face of the wave? So anyway, so this is all resined already. So I like that. This one, I have it hanging in my bathroom. And then this one is resined, and I did some embellishment on it. I tried to make the water look like it's cascading down, and so I did that with a brush. So, but it's really unique. It's got a lot of really interesting details in it. So it's got a really nice resin finish. So anyway, yeah, so today's wave is a transition. It was a learning process for me. We learn lots of things from the ocean. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will catch up with you later on. Now I'm applying Winsor Blue. In hindsight, I wish I would have applied more white throughout the water. So it's several days later, and it's completely dry now, and I decided that I didn't really like the way the Dutch pour, the way it dried, as far as the patterns in the water. I just didn't like it. So I decided I was going to use a brush and just kind of use the some of the lines as, you know, guidelines, and just I was going to create a wave with a brush and keeping it transparent so that some of the lines and designs from the Dutch pour blowout would still show through. And in doing this, it did, I think, allow for a lot more depth and more of a natural underwater look. In hindsight, I wish I would not have covered up that white there. I wish I would have just maybe gone over with a transparent blue, but oh well. I did, so I keep going. all the different layers of paint and alternating with the Winsor blue and the turquoise and the white. It really did create depth and a nice underwater look. I think I decided that I preferred the blended look as opposed to a more, I don't know what you would call it, a more non-blended look. I liked the paint, to transition and blend into each other. This painting took hours and hours to do, so I did, of course, edit it, and it is sped up quite a bit. I think I had about 3 layers of paint going over the water. At this point, there's only a little bit of the original Dutch pour look showing through, and that's mostly in the lower left-hand corner, and that's actually one of my favorite parts of the whole painting. I keep going between the darker Winsor Newton and lighter shades of blue and turquoise, just to create the look of the cold, deeper waters, darker waters, mixing with the warmer, lighter, shallow waters. So I've tried several brushes to create the white foam that, goes up the face of the wave. And the liner brush was definitely my top pick. I was able to do it best with that. And right here in this area, that's another one of my favorite parts. This is only my second attempt in using a palette knife, so, as part of a painting, other than just putting paint on as a means to getting paint on the canvas. But This is, yeah, my second attempt in using a palette knife for a wave and making splashes, and I'm happy with the way it came out. Here's the final piece. I'm really happy with it. The colors are beautiful in it. Well, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.